road for another getaway, and again to Ehden. I'm sure you watched my video where I was showing Ehden, and we visited it for the first time ever this summer. And this time we're going again to Ehden, but it's a winter time, and I think there is snow today, so I'm really excited. Ehden, and in the middle of the way got hungry because it's a long drive from Beirut to Ehden. It's almost 2 hours, so we stopped on our way at Halab and gonna get some food. So on our way to Ehden, we stopped at my favorite Halab. I didn't know it's actually here. There is one. Getting some laham bajin, some baklava, so we are fueled up to reach Ehden. What did we get there? Looks good. Yum. The meat is very rich in flavor, but has a very strong meat taste. So maybe Mash is not gonna like it. It doesn't like when it has a super strong meat taste, but it's very rich with the feeling. The territory of our hotel, it's pretty big. The hotel is very impressive. It's 5-star. It's very nice, very new. I like it. In summer we stayed at Al Midan Square. It's there, like the main square of Ehden. I think it's like 5 minutes away from the square. Wow, guys, look at this. This is such a cool igloo where you can have like dinner or something covered in snow. For dinner to one of the nicest restaurants in Ehden, and I have to admit I completely forgot that I have a YouTube channel and I'm filming a video on YouTube, so I didn't film anything. This is already our last dish, but the food was actually good. Or you can still steal the rest what we ate. Tabbouleh, fatoush, cheese rolls were really good. Also loved warq anab and hummus. and this is like work anna but hot with meat inside. The food is really good and very affordable. I don't know how not to forget to film YouTube videos because I focus a lot on Instagram, but like it's nice to film on YouTube also, so yeah, that's why I didn't film what we ate, but the food was good and very affordable place, very reasonable prices, big portions, good tasty food, and yeah, I think if you are in Ehden for dinner, you're looking where to eat, this is where you're gonna come probably. Majd, why you don't remind me that I should film?
From now on, I'll remind you always, don't worry about it.
Please.
Don't worry.
Because what is this? What is this content? What is this disappointment? But did you like the food?
Yeah, it was good, actually, very good.
You would recommend the place?
Yeah, and then definitely a must.
Good morning, guys. Good morning from our beautiful room. It's very nice view with snow here. Here we have a shower. It's actually very nice and messy now because of my stuff. And this is the bedroom. The bed is so long, so huge. Also they have TV here, one more. But yeah, we had a great sleep. This is our breakfast arrived. Looks so good. Honestly, we didn't like the breakfast so much because it was a little bit too dry, the pastries, and the vegetables weren't super like fresh, and the eggs are like super average, the juice is not fresh, the coffee is like not wow, and it's a 5-star hotel, you know, so that looked pretty.
Could be improved.
Could be improved. Maybe they will work on it. So guys, we left the hotel and are on our way back home. It reminds me of something like we already lived through this moment before when we were stuck in Odom. So now we're again trying to get through the snow and snowing even more. We made it through the hardest part. Now it's a bit less snow. Very beautiful views. This weather, it's just a perfect time for what? Yes, you guessed it. For ice cream. It's good? Really? How much?
60 tau for two.
Not bad. It's really good. I like it. Iris, you're ruining my video. Thank you so much, whoever recommended me this place. So I stopped at Batroun for lunch because we were starving, because at our breakfast we didn't really eat much. Came to Mariolino having a couscous salad for starter. It's pretty big for 2 people. Gucci didn't order one more salad.
We're gonna demolish it.
Also ordered grilled chicken with grilled potatoes and vegetables. And I think someone is very jealous. Very jealous. Because it smells so good. I like the music here. Good salad. Let's now eat the chicken. Smells so good.
Down, Ice. Down. Down.
A bit overcooked, just like too much grilled. Because it is very good chicken, but grilled too much.